Hey guys, I invited two local Instagram food queens, Roxy and Ashley from Dash of Delish, to come cook with me today. They're gonna cook some chili and garlic shrimp, and I'm gonna do some of my family Italian shrimp.
Is that because we cook almost every single night of the week, right? So you go to work, you come home, if you go work out, you don't have a whole bunch of time. So something quick and easy.
More butter is better. Might not everybody agree with such butter. Just let that kind of be.
Are you ready?
Just, yes ma'am. Thank you.
Know that I grew up with a mom that cooked, and it was always very traditional Southern food. It was chicken and rice, mashed potatoes and gravy, fried chicken, homemade ice cream.
We're a family of 5, so my mom was always cooking. She was a housewife. My father was out doing business. I mean, she would constantly cook.
Are the seeds gonna make it spicier versus just the casing of it?
Yes, it is.
Okay. That's how you do it.
Well, I know you're probably like panicking, but that's why I turned it down low.
I cannot believe how long this garlic has been cooking.
I know.
You girls are driving me crazy.
The vino. So this is perfect.
Okay.
I'm
He's not liking it.
Let's turn it up.
Yeah,
It's
turn it
about
up.
that
He's not
time,
liking
yeah.
I don't want any pressure on you.
Nope, turn it up. Because we actually need to cook the alcohol out. So now we're
He's
like,
gonna try and tell you what to do.
these are beautiful shrimp going. And luckily with the shrimp, it doesn't take long.
Baste the shrimp now. This is the.
Is that kitchen style?
No, this is great. Look, you guys are cooking with love. This is like how my grandmother or my mother would cook.
You are. I mean, you really are covering.
And we'll just pour it all in this bowl.
This looks fantastic. The smell of this is unbelievable. Are we going right in?
Yep.
Go right
All of it.
in. I mean,
Let's just like.
Make it pretty.
oh yeah. We gotta make that Instagram worthy pic.
Dish anymore.
No, I love this
And-
plating technique.
and then we'll do like-
we can elevate our game on Instagram.
Oh,
with
that's-
this.
Richie bite first.
I
Richie.
Oh, I'm scared.
Baby. What do you think about that? Oh, stop it.
In fact, don't even try it. Just leave it there. You guys can go.
It's not too much.
It's delicious.
It is delicious. It's
right.
buttery and garlicky and peppery and yeah.
Any way you cut it at home, this is the perfect dish for a Sunday afternoon.
Right. Big ol' side of pasta?
A mom and dad, you can
Yeah, you can
pasta,
do
bread,
anything.
whatever you want.
Big old salad.
Okay, my turn.
And the spice isn't
Long
too
time.
much.
Now you guys put the pressure on.
pressure's
so
on,
we're
okay.
we got these shrimp. We're just gonna open up a little bit more,
Oh,
Okay.
Ah, more
Cheating.
butterfly,
A little bit
huh?
and we can kind of, you know how you pound out chicken, scallopini. You
Yes.
can kind of do the same thing with these guys. A
Oh,
little
I didn't know
bit.
that.
I'm not gonna get crazy with it.
I just learned something.
A little bit of mozzarella. Squeeze it.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Lay it right in there.
2 seconds in and I'm already learning so much.
It's like the 2 seconds in and we've already like broken every Italian law. Now we're gonna take our prosciutto. And you can go crazy with.
Is this like super aged?
No. This is only concern with this dish, and when you're doing something like this, is not letting it explode while we're cooking it.
Gotcha.
So we'll throw 1 toothpick.
Okay.
3 ingredients: shrimp, mozzarella, and prosciutto. We'll see in a second here.
He'll know once he puts it down.
Yep.
Good.
All right. So
Okay.
see our color here.
Yep. Nice.
Now we go in with butter.
Now it's butter. Okay.
I'm not even gonna chop garlic because we just want
smash it?
we want the flavor of this. We don't want the cherry tomatoes as a garnish on it. Touch of chili, oregano, salt,
Not a dash, but a
black pepper.
So white wine, and then we're gonna top it with the pan, huh?
And you do cook much higher than I.
We're looking good.
Now that is an Instagram story worthy.
You better hurry. Oh, so beautiful. That cheese.
Oh
I'm
my
mad at you right now.
God.
It's not fair.
I mean, cheese is our jam. If someone told me we couldn't eat cheese anymore, that'd be a sad, sad world.
That's why we do keto diet. Because we can still eat cheese. I like it. I'm impressed.
So pretty. It's beautiful.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
Some slices. That's
You can top
good.
it? Yeah, yes. Stop with yourself.
Oh
Stop
my God.
with yourself.
Baby,
Stop
sexy
with
shrimp.
yourself.
Sunday sexy shrimp.
Girl, you gotta get
Sunday sexy shrimp.
Yes, I like that. Sunday sexy shrimp. That's perfect.
I think it's doing him in the background. I think it's kind of fun.
Can I take this bite
Take.
Okay.
That is
Jack.
delicious.
That is really, really tasty.
Girls, I can't thank you enough
I can't thank you.
for coming in.
You're the best.